Hello. So here I have my website prototype, my fabulous drawing, and which was just a brief idea of what I want my website to look like. And since I did the drawing, I have gone in and added a list of what I want and where I want it on my website. So this is on my Weebly. So scrolling down, I made a list of what I want where. So on the home page, I definitely want, the logo. I'm still brainstorming what I want my logo to look like. I want my infographic to be right front and center, and probably a summary of my research paper. Still working on that area. Resources, I'll show you guys in a moment. I have a tech slide document, tech tools. I want to include my site model and as well as standards that I have met. I have some website links that will be on my website that teachers and educators can look at as far as technology tools that I found useful. I'll have several logo images as well as photos and videos from my classroom. In the inspiration section, I want to have a link to my Weebly blog and additional research that I've done on flipped classroom learning, as well as some of my student Show Me app examples. And then I need to write my little about the author blurb. So I made a technology presentation that I want to show you guys and I want to have on my website pretty front and center. This is key for me as I want to show other educators about the tech tools that I've learned. So here is my presentation. Technology, apps, sites, and tools. Oh my. I have a few links here of resources that might be helpful for educators. This first one I think was shown to us, and I think it's really great step by step using iPads in the classroom. I have my example Google Classroom, and soon I'll have a link to the Benicia Virtual Learning Community where teachers at our district are putting together different tech lessons that they've made. Here's our the SAMR model, and I just love how this is laid out and gives lots of ideas of different apps you can use depending on what area you're working on in your classroom. Here are some teacher tools that I found helpful as far as teacher lesson planning. Zaption was introduced to us and I loved that. That's a great one to share with other educators where you can create and find lessons, their interactive videos. Educreations app where you can create videos or find ones that are already made. The Show Me app, that's one I've been using a lot recently. The interactive whiteboard with voice recording, great for doing a flipped classroom, as well as Weave Video. That's one I haven't explored as much. Teacher tools, planning and assessment. I've learned about Kahoot. I haven't used it in class yet, but I'm hoping to do that as well as Quizlet. But those are great ones I'd like to share with other teachers. ReadWriteThink.org is an incredible website where students or teachers can create interactive plot lines, story theme cubes, Venn diagrams, character trading cards. You can see here students can create newspapers, brochures, flyers, signs, posters. There are so many resources on this page to help with anything reading, writing, or thinking. Some teacher and student tools to create infographics or info posters. And we've talked about a lot of these in class, and I think that they'd be great to share with other teachers. So Glogster, Bubble.us, Google Drawing, Pictochart, Mindomo, Coggle, Visme, ones to try. Hopefully I pronounced those correctly. Here are some student tools for research. My students do a lot of research, so KidRex is a great one. Recently, Google released Kiddle.co. That's a great searching tool for students, so it blocks out all the stuff we don't want them to see. Of course, Weebly for website design. KidBlog, I've had my students use this in the past where they are, creating a blog and our classroom links together so they can read each other's and comment. And then as well as Blendspace. This can also be used for, as teachers plan, they can choose specific videos or photos that they want their students to see as they research. And of course, there'll be more to come as I continue my journey through technology. And last I wanted to show you my Google Classroom, where I've done a lot of my lessons linked with my research. This, of course, will be on my website as well, where I have different Show Me video examples. All right, thanks. Bye.